Hi friends, today we're going to be writing the cursive word volume. To start, let's define it. The definition of volume is the amount of space in a three-dimensional shape. So in my example, you'll see this cube. How we find our volume is I'm going to take the length times the width times the height, and that will get me my volume. That's going to tell me how much space is being taken up in that cube. So that blue color inside, that's representing what the volume would look like. All right, now that we understand a little bit better what the word means, let's go ahead and try to write it. To start, let's see if there's anything special, and I'm noticing a couple things. I noticed that my V and my O don't connect, and I'm also noticing that my O and my L connect on the top. So when we're writing this, we're going to want to make sure to be really careful during those two parts. All right, let's go ahead and write it. We're going to go nice and slow, and we're going to try not to pick up our pencil when possible. That way it's one nice fluid movement. And remember, if yours doesn't look like mine, that's okay, because cursive is a style, and we're just going to do our best. All right, starting at the V, it looks a little bit like a candy cane on the top, coming down to a point on the bottom, and back up. We're going to go to the floor again with the O because we had to pick up our pencil. And remember, our O and L are going to connect at the top this time. About 3/4 up for the L, back to the floor. About halfway for my U, back to the floor. And we're going to get 1, 2, 3 bumps for my M, and halfway for my E. And there you have it. That's the word volume in cursive. For more practice, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and you can see the show notes for links to similar videos. I'll also go ahead and link my Teacher Pay Teacher in my description, where you can find my cursive practice pages. Thank you for watching, and remember, cursive is a skill, so the more you practice, the better you'll get. I'll see you next time. Bye!